Hi everybody, this is a little late delivery here on Friday afternoon. We're going to do a 12-inch chipper and a 420 backhoe to go in that driveway. Now, you might ask yourself, how are we going to do all that? Well, I got a chain up to it here. We're going to jack it up and we're going to yank it in there. This is a little sketchy coming off the truck, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. It's a nice day, but you know, it's late. It's probably almost 5:30. We got low power lines right down there too. I'll see if I can get a shot of that. As we get in closer. A little small, a little low. Let's see if we can get it in there. It's going. We're gonna bring it to the cans way over there. See if we can get it down the driveway and not hit the poles and not hit the telephone lines and not go in the stream. These are all questions. We'll see what happens. We're on a country road in Middletown, Connecticut. And let's give it a try. I'm going to put the phone right there on the dashboard. The machine, we're going to give it a try. trick is to give yourself enough chain so that you can articulate a little bit, but you don't want to give yourself too much because obviously you don't want it to get too wonky on you. Just take it nice and slow. Make sure you're keeping an eye not only on the chipper in front of you, but where the machine is going behind it, because it'd be very easy to be just chasing the chipper and then not remember where the machine is. You don't want to go in that stream right there on both sides. So I told him I was going to put this right next to the camper right here, and then they can take it from there. That's all there is. Park the machine, we're going to take the chain off, and that's all there is to it. That's moving a chipper without a hitch. Let's see if we did any damage. I don't think we did. Sometimes we mess up the jack doing this. No, not bad. I don't think we even hit the jack. See, this one's on this. You want obviously that to hit the bucket before the blade hits the jack, and we had enough room, it looks like. So it was close, but we didn't even hit the jack. And so yeah, there's another rental. Just about done with Superior for all of your rental needs. Take a look at our website, give us a call, we'll hook you up with anything you need. Superior Rental.